Good afternoon. Happy 2026 from ExpatCrib. I hope you had a good holiday season, whether you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. I hope it was a happy one for you. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and I'm going to do a little walk and talk today and bring you up to speed on everything that's going on here in Colombia. All right, here we go. So, in the famous words of Marvin Gaye, what's going on? Or in 2026, we could actually rephrase that and say, what the hell is going on? So, as you guys probably know and have been watching the news, there's a lot going on in the news, and a lot of people are asking, what's the status of Colombia, okay, in 2026? And I want to give you my honest assessment of what's happening here and what's happening in the neighboring country of Venezuela. Some are lauding what's happening there, and some are not happy. Maybe with the implementation, I'm not sure. Again, this is a channel where I want to help people find their happy place abroad. For whatever reason, they're looking to move abroad. That's my goal. And again, as everyone on this channel knows, I've been in Colombia now for 15 years, going on 16 years. And I want to bring people up to speed on whether or not Colombia is still a great place to retire. So, again, without getting political, which I don't like to do, I want to let people know, especially where I live, very, very safe area, but I'm going to be very candid. I don't know what is going to be happening in the next couple of years. One of my best friends here calls me the brujo, which in Spanish means witch, because I can tell the future. But I can honestly say in the last 4 or 5 years, it's been harder and harder to tell the future. We now live in a multipolar world, and again, some people may love that, some people may hate it, but that is the reality going forward, is that the world is changing. And because of that, I think I'm a little bit well positioned. Again, living in 4 or 5 different countries. When I moved from Canada, I've lived in Colombia, Vietnam, Thailand, and a bit of time also in Spain and Portugal. So I want to bring you guys up to speed on where the best places are to live this year. I actually might be visiting some of the countries I just mentioned, but again, Colombia is my home, and in 2026 I still believe it's a fairly safe place to live. But again, with all the world events going on right now, no one, and I mean no one, can tell the future right now. Again, in Colombia, this year in May, we have elections coming up. And again, I don't want to get political. Again, I'm very, very centrist. For people who have seen my channel, probably get a feeling of that. My thought leaders in the past have been people like George Carlin, who is a modern day prophet and comedian. People like Dietrich Bonhoeffer, another great man. You can tell that a lot of my influences are musical. So again, from time to time, I may have quotes up on the website and in my channel quoting some of the people that I admire in life. Again, I'm very pro people, pro liberty. People should be free of hindrances. But as I said, this video today is not going to be about politics, but it is pertinent to what's going on in the world right now. But I will continue over the next while to scout out my favorite neighborhoods in the city of Medellin and outside here in Oriente. Today it's a rainy day in Retiro. As you can see, the river is flowing really well. It's 18 degrees, which is a cold day for here, but again, as you guys know, this is the weather that I love here in Retiro. So going forward this year, I am going to do some videos on coming to Medellin for the first time. Everything from revisiting how to get from the airport to the metro, which is a suggestion by one of the viewers, which I'm more than happy to help with. Again, try and save people some money. And by the way, one of my most popular videos, which I've ended up getting a lot of subscribers and views from, was a video where I help people get from the Panama airport to downtown Panama City. A lot of people don't know that there's a metro that reaches, like, goes right to the airport. And anyways, I get a lot of positive feedback from that video. So I'll be doing some videos here similar to that. Okay, helping people find their happy place here in the, well, I'm in Oriente, but in Medellin. And again, I'm going to do my best to bring you up to speed on all the happenings that are going on here. Again, as I said, we have a election in May of this year in Colombia. Okay, and it should be very interesting. It should tell a lot about the country. Again, whatever the people decide in this country is what they should have. Again, fully into democracy and freedom for people. So whatever their wishes are, I respect in this country here. So, hola. So yeah, but I want to bring you guys up to speed. I'll be doing a lot of walking and talking videos as usual. And just so you know, I've been doing a lot of consultations, live consultations in the last little while, and I have a few booked for this week and the upcoming weeks. So if you want to get a real good up to speed and you want to talk to me, I'll leave a link in all the YouTube videos in the description. And again, I've been here 15 years, so I have a lot of good connections. I just helped someone today, connected them with my lawyer Isabel, who's been in some of my videos. She's going to help them with some immigration problems. And I also helped a super nice lady from Florida, who's actually Colombian by birth, but she came back to get her citizenship and ran into problems. And so I got Isabel on it. The lady was very discouraged. She knows who she is and she's watching this video, but I'm not gonna name names, but I know that she was very happy because I connected her with Isabel, and I think in 1 or 2 days Isabel sorted everything out. Maybe took a week, but being a lawyer and an immigration specialist, Isabel was able to go and sort things out at the notary. So again, just another example of some of the great connections that I have here. And I'm happy to help people with connections here, from everything from finding help with immigration to obviously the business we're in, finding real estate. And just so you guys know, a lot of the times we advertise on ExpatCrib, some properties, but we also have a website. A lot of people don't know about it. I don't mention a lot on the channel because my business partner Camilo is more running that operation, but that's Colombia-casa.com. So if you guys want to see active listings, you can go to Colombia-casa.com. But I would say probably at least 6 times out of 10 when people come and they're looking for properties, it's generally not on our website. Sometimes it is. If it is, it usually moves fast. But we have some really good people here to find properties for us. So if you're looking for a specific property, I just helped a couple, really good couple. Again, I won't name them. They know who they are, from Chicago. And through Isabel, she helped us find their perfect place, their happy place abroad. So they're going to be moving here, I believe, next year, or sorry, this year. It is now 2026. They're going to be moving here this year, and they found a really nice place, really close to the Golden Mile. So yeah, that's about it for today. I just wanted to bring people up to speed and do this little walk and talk. If you guys have any questions, you can always put them in the comments. I'm really good about answering your questions. But today, again, just a little news update on what's going on here. Again, I'm very bullish about this country. I've seen it progress so much that I can't see it going back unless there's some kind of foreign interference. But yeah, no, I'm bullish on this country. One of the reasons I originally came here is because of what you see right here, this beautiful topography. And that's another thing I have cooking. I've got another YouTube channel that'll be starting real soon. That's kind of related to this, but more related to my first love, and that's photography. So I will be talking more about that in the future. But again, I know a lot of people like my walking tours, so I think with the new channel, I'm going to get even a little bit more in depth to show the beauty of this country. So I think that's it for today. I think I'm going to close it off here. I will have some apartment videos, neighborhood walking tours coming up real soon, but I wanted to get this video out before I released those videos, which will be coming up soon. And I've got a little trip within Colombia that I'm going to be doing real soon, and I think I'll take you guys with me. So hope you've enjoyed this short information video here. Again, enjoying the nature here in El Retiro. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.